Honda GCV 190 pressure washer.
What's the make and model of the pressure washer? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Won't start.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The oil was low, about 1/4 to 1/3 showing below the fill line, and we saw smoke as the cord got progressively harder to pull. I have a Honda GCV 190 pressure washer, just a couple years old. GF's sister started the unit and then walked it through the grass about 50 yards or so. Then the engine died. After trying to restart, the pull cord got tighter and tighter. I could not get it to turn over and smoke started coming out, and now the pull cord is stuck. I checked the oil and saw it's low, probably 25% or 30% of the stick below the fill line is covered by oil when I test the levels, so I was guessing it was an engine problem with low oil. Thoughts? The cord is now stuck and only pulls out about 6 to 8 inches, and I was going to go get oil and try again. Thoughts?
Hi, I'm Wayne. I will try to help you with this. Where was the smoke coming from?
1 second, let me check. Circled in orange in the picture. Or at least from that side, maybe not exactly from that spot, but definitely from right side.
Thank you for that. Okay, that is the muffler. It is okay. Pull the spark plug out and see if it cranks either.
Okay, I'll try. Pull out and replace and then try? Or pull out completely, leave removed and then try?
Hi, pull out all the way and leave it out.
Reason I ask is the pull doesn't really move much at all, it's stuck right now.
Hi, that is what we are trying to see what it may be. Also look at the plug, see if you see any metal on it.
Okay, I'll try. Unfortunately, I don't have a socket wrench that long to loosen the nut behind the spark plug. Short of going to Home Depot to get one of those, is there anything else I can try?
Hi, not really. What we are trying to find out if it is the engine or the pump that is locking up.
Okay. Alright, well, I'm there. I suppose I should at least get some oil since this thing has barely any in it.
Hi, I will be in and out today afternoon. But we'll be checking in. Yes, get the oil. They do not hold much.
Okay, THX.
Welcome.
Okay, it released the cord when I took the spark plug out. I am able to pull on it now.
Hi, it pulls easy. Any metal flakes on spark plug?
I'll have to check tomorrow. I took the spark plug out and I was able to pull the cord back as I would to start it, and it was no longer stuck. I tried to start it and it won't turn over. I also filled up the oil. Also, just FYI, to be clear, the girls were able to start it no problem this morning. They had moved it across the grass while it was on using the wheels, and then it just turned off.
Hi, if it turns over easy, plug out your engine. Is at fault. Sorry to say, being low on oil. It has locked up rod and or main bearing. I hope this helped you. Hi. That is the only way I get credit for the question, or the money you paid stays at JA and I get nothing for my time. If you need more info, use the reply button, not the poor/bad service. Wayne?
I'll answer in the AM. I'm going to have a few more questions. I haven't been able to get it to turn over, plug out or in. I don't need the water hose in right just to test if the engine will kick on right?
Morning. No, don't need the water hose hook to spin it over.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.